Hi everybody, I hope you're all well and having a great week. Looking forward to the weekend ahead. Yay, Friday. And for today, I've got the easiest pizza snack ever. I mean, it's brilliant. And Bill, aka Misolgit, I think that's the way you say it, your YouTube name, but Bill from Misolgit. He sent me this fantastic clip of someone making the easiest pizza snacks, and I thought, oh, do you know what? That's good. That must be such a good idea to try. And it's very simple ingredients. But before I get onto the ingredients, I just wanted to give say hello to all my new subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. Absolutely amazing. If you don't know, I actually have another channel which I do 5-day week, like daily vlogs. If you're interested in gardening, it's called Plot 25+1. There will be a link in the description, and it will come up here, the name. But I'm doing shed renovations at the moment because it's kind of a new plots that I haven't had them long. I've done some artwork, so I'll just show you this. That's the shed that I'm renovating, and the colour that I'm going to be painting it soon. And this is available to buy in my Etsy shop. I'll just put it close, which is good, isn't it? I mean, I'm happy with it. And also up here is my other allotment pick I did years ago. I'll come and bring you closer. And this was my first allotment, which I had years ago. I mean, it's 2008. But the prints of that will be available as well for those that are interested. It's no worries if you're not. They're absolutely cool. And also in my Etsy shop will be these. And I've road tested this now. I've put it's probably had 5 washes, and it comes out great. Really does. It's hard wearing, which is what you want when you have this kind of, you know, when you have a print on your apron. So, you know, if you want it, buy it. If you don't, no problem. But it all helps with the channel, and these will help me buy ingredients for recipes for the channel, etc. Anyway, let's get back to cooking, because I've got Bill. This is great, and it'd be brilliant with kids and grandkids as well. So come and have a look. So really simple ingredients. They will float up, but yeah, this is something that you could add for yourself as well. I've got 4 slices of bread that I've cut the crusts off. A little bit of chorizo. You could have pepperoni, mozzarella cheese, tomato puree. I've got a tiny little bit of garlic, easy squeezy garlic stuff, and oregano herb chucked in a little bit, and egg for egg wash. Yeah, let's get cracking and get cooking. Get these in the air fryer. So really simple. You kind of press down to create a kind of well. I think kids would love making this, to be fair. Then you put a little spoonful of your mozzarella, tomato mixture. And mozzarella. In this case, chorizo, pepperoni, pieces of ham. I mean, you could, well, it's your oyster, isn't it? You could add whatever you fancy. I'm going to egg wash the sides now. Now fold over. Use a fork, a bit like a sausage roll. Cool, that's like a pizza pocket. Right, carry on making them. There we are, all ready to egg wash. Let's do that now and get them in the Ninja. So I'm just pulling it away from the wall. Match, air fry, 180, 7 minutes. This is following the recipe. We'll see how they turn out. We might have to flip them. Yeah. Well, while that's cooking, I want to give a really big thank you to everyone who's given a super thanks recently. That's Maureen Wilkinson, yay, thank you Mo. Bimbo Clack, aka Jim and Maureen, thank you. And Carol Rich, thank you very much. Thank you very much for your super thanks. It's so supportive, I really appreciate it. And also to my new patron, Bill, aka Misolgit. It's like the old git. I do like that bit. I'm not sure how to say it though. Misolgit. Let me know if I've got that right. But this is what your you forwarded me this, and it's brilliant. I'm really chuffed. I can't wait to try it. So I will see you in a bit. Right. It's just that's flickering. It's on cool. Let's have a look, shall we? Oh, they look really good. Wow, quick, let's check the other one. Wowzers. Let's get these out then. Oh. Brilliant. I'm going to use this handy lifting tool. I reckon this will work really well. Look at that. Oh my god, they're so good. I bet they're roasting inside though, so I might have to give them a few minutes to cool. Fantastic. Right. We'll leave that to cool because that's good for its what do you call it? Elements. Let's have a look at that. Thank you, Ninja. Right, we're going to be back for a taste test very soon. Looking forward to this. Fantastic. That's really good. Let's open it up. Oh yeah. Yeah, that looks gooey and well delicious. Come on, let's go for a taste test. I'm looking forward to this. Right. I could have flipped them, to be fair, but they're quite you know, it's hard, but for I don't know, aesthetic purposes maybe flip them, but I'm not bothered, to be fair. 7 minutes, maybe flip them for 2 or 3, but it's not egg washed on the underside, so personally you could always egg wash them though if you wanted to flip them yourself. Oh, this is nice. It's a bit hot. Oh my god. Oh, that is a pizza pocket indeed. Oh my god. Oh, this is so easy. I'm gonna make this again. I love chorizo. I tend to favour that over pepperoni when I'm doing a pizza. Oh, you do have to cut them up small because they're quite big slices, but this is lovely. And tomato puree with a little bit of garlic puree itself and oregano. That's packed with flavour. Oh, that's so good. The boys are going to love this. Thanks everybody for watching. I'm going to go and finish my pizza pocket. Thank you, Bill, for this. I loved it. Absolutely, I'm definitely making this again. It's so easy. Good for parties as well. Right, thanks everybody. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.